Good morning, YouTube. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. Good morning, good morning. How's everyone's morning been? I made some money today already, everyone. Caught that trade. I took I don't like taking trades right at market open, so I didn't call this one, but I got in right this trend line we talked about for reject. Had a tight stop set, printed. But we're still gonna look for some trades. We got some good levels today, so. Any questions you all have, just drop in chat. All right, time to focus in. Hopefully the 15-minute range don't get too large. Nice. Up 1,300. I just looked at my P&L from that trade earlier. 1,300 real money on the morning. Nice. That was a nice trade with Grizzology, yeah. You know, I missed this trade. Completely was doing something else, missed it. But I took the reject at the trend. It's fair value gap. IWM, I haven't looked. I don't really trade IWM, so I probably wouldn't be the best one to give you some levels, some ideas. Feels nice to have a nice green morning. It's been a tricky week. I ended up making back that loss. I gave you all a nice winning trade on YouTube. Then I ended up taking a loss, but then I took I caught a third trade, was the trend line reject that we talked about yesterday. I caught that, so yesterday was break even. Monday, slightly red on the personal. I messed I messed up some of my funded because of the trade copy I was trying had a malfunction, which was confirmed. But and this morning I'm up 1,300, so I'll post my P&L for y'all when I'm done. This it's hard to say about that, Jonas. I mean, if you're trying to pass in one trade, just position accordingly. Yeah, we have big data in 10 minutes, everyone. 10 minutes. I'm going to talk to Team Bull for a bit.
I will eventually trade if we get up to.
What about that trend line reject? That same trend line we was watching yesterday for a bounce. We fell below it because of data. Pulled back up and retested it perfectly for a downside entry.
Okay, guys, losing 216. Let's see, we need to be careful if it's a liquidity or a break.
I like the whole 380 to 440 area for reject too. I know it's a little wide. But I do like the area. I do like the zone. I will watch for a rejection there for continuation lower.
All right, Team Bull. Watch the zone I posted in the watch list. We're approaching it. Wait on confirmation. Just because we touch it doesn't mean it will bounce.
Which number, Chris?
The top of my zone starts at, hold on, 19,170.
Because I'm looking for shorts at 216. I'm waiting for a retest of this guy.
Oh yeah, 170 is where my zone starts.
Okay.
So you got room.
Yeah, guys, we broke 216, but I didn't enter the shorts. I'm expecting probably a retest of this guy. This could be the big move. A big mega trade. Okay, now let's see if we retest 216. Come on, come on, come on. Go up.
All right, everyone. There's actually two wins here. I don't know if you can see it, but we had the buy. This is Grizzology demand. It confirmed. You would have got in here, caught the move up. Then we pushed up into the new addition, this fair value gap. Tested it. That could have been a possible short entry. Just talking. So, if you have any questions, just ask them.
Oh, man.
Opening range low.
Okay, guys. I think I missed the move.
We can watch this fair value gap. After this candle closes, we could possibly watch for a retest of this fair value gap here for a possible short entry.
Look at this. We lost 216 and then dump. It was they did a retest, but no, they didn't touch completely 216. They went on to 08. Someone took 216, the break. Anyone?
All right, everyone, we're in my zone. I'm watching here on NQ. If we fell, let's see, that 19118, this zone's invalid. If we break below that 19118, if we fell that, I'm no longer looking for a bounce here.
We have PMI, right? 945.
Yes. Then we have consumer sentiment at 10, I believe.
Jesus. Okay, guys.
Consumer spending. My bad. Consumer spending at 10.
I'm down at the late on these evals. I'm trying to figure out what the scale on my trade date's been all weird.
know you've been making too much money. I'm trying to stalk you.
Okay. What's the move? What's the move, guys?
Very odd.
Does Grizzology mark? Yes, see it does. It marks what you see on the chart here. Other than the blue trend line, I drew that. You all see anything you like, YouTube? Drop it in chat. I want to see what you're watching too.
Guys, news coming, and let's see if we do a retest of 216.
News is we got data about to drop everyone, so no positions open.
What do you think, Grizzly? We gonna hold your demand zone balance?
Yeah, I figured it would get into it about the time data drop. You know how that goes. Probably just rope up or invalidate it here.
I like it. I like it.
I'm gonna turn off trend entry on Grizzology here. I want it out of my way where I can see everyone. Did it not work? Yeah, there it went.
No. Let's see. Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's see if we do a retest of 216. Okay. We just bounced a QQQ for our level 463.39. Let's see if we go to 216 again.
Just waiting on confirmation, everyone.
You guys approaching to 216? See what's the plan? Yep. Come on. Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Up, 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 up. Jesus, touch it. Just touch it, baby. Come on.
I want to explain how the first 5-minute candle is bearish candle, not bullish. Well, the first 5-minute candle is aggressively to the downside. Red. Oh, the first 5-minute candle. Well, I was looking at the second. Excuse me.
YouTube, real quick, can you run the thumbs up to 100? Shouldn't take just a second. I have NQ pulled up. Could have a trade confirmed here within seconds. So. And I don't know, it's kind of contradicting itself because we're bouncing supply, but we have this fair value gap below pre-market low for shorts. What are your thoughts, YouTube? We touched supply, bouncing here, but we're pushing up this pre-market pre-market high, or pre-market low rather, into this fair value gap. I'm gonna try, well, never mind. Try some shorts up there, everyone. Right there was my entry though, so. Sorry, not shorts, not shorts. I tried longs with demand. Keep in mind, we are fighting against this. I do apologize. We are fighting against this right here, but we're bouncing this supply. So I'm going to try it. Ideally, we push up, get above this. Looks like shorts may have been away. I always put supply and demand first. I know we have trend weakness, but I at least wanted to see us push back up and see if we could reclaim this pre-market high here. That is right. We got news every 10 minutes. I got distracted listening. My average is 94 now. Yeah, it looks like it wants to break to the downside, everyone. That was my bad. Too much contradicting. I'm still in, but looks like we want to push down and make a low day. Oh, if you took the short, there you go. I guess me messing up made some people money. I'm still in. Let's see what we do. Still in longs. Yes. My average is 19194. MNQ is what I've been trading. That's NQ on the chart. It's gonna hit my stop, everyone. It's trying to. Right here's my stop, literally. I should have set this trade out, to be honest. We had too much contradicting. I had my mind set on the the demand bounce. I should have set it out. I'm on my personal account, everyone, so it's clear. If we can close above this pre-market, I may actually, no, I don't know. I've got 5 MNQ right now, so. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Sorry about that, guys, girls. We should have entered there. Sometimes you just got too much going on, and it's my fault. I'm still at green, but it's just because I took the trend line reject pre-market. We still got another trade set up here, everyone. Let's wait for this orb retest. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. People still rolling. Well, well. What do you know? Retesting. Madman is traveling today. I understand, Wes. I can't concentrate with everyone talking in Team Bull, to be honest with you. That's one of the reasons I messed up on the trade earlier, trying to listen to everyone. I'm waiting on confirmation. I'm around, team, but I have to mute sometimes to focus on setups.
You watching anything?
I actually tried something, but I messed up because I was distracted. I tried some longs, I got stopped. But I have one winning trade pre-market, so I'm still green, but I still want the long entry if we confirm. Could go either way here. We could confirm to the downside if we close back below 19135.
Mixed trade. I'm not super short biased until we lose 138, lose that 15-minute low. Watch for the shorts, so I'm with you. We can find some sort of footing for reversal. I'll try the longs too.
The demand that we touched is the only bounce area I have for a long ways. So if we lose that, we definitely have some room. Yeah, the breakout will. I like to retest personally. This is interesting price action. Volume's not telling me anything.
Yeah, there's that pump. Still no trades for me, guys. 30 minutes in, still no trades. I'm flat on the day so far. Flat on the day so far. Flat on the day.
Taking two trades there, and one was a winner pre-market and one loser that looks like it's about to print now after it decided to push to the bottom of her zone first.
Oh my gosh. Who goes longest, Grizzly?
Yeah, they stop me out, then it prints. That's how this market's been. Just wanted to push to the bottom of my zone, I guess. Never closed below it. It just touched the bottom, wicked a little bit below. Now it's pumping to the upside from it. Or if we reclaim this pre-market low.
We're still on a good read up price right now.
If I could go back with that trade I took not long ago, I would have waited. We had too much stuff going on. We had demand below, then we had the fair value gap in pre-market above, pre-market low above. No, I don't like a short right here. I don't really like a long either. If we get a close above pre-market high, I would consider a long. Or if we get a close back below that 19136, I would consider a short.
Yeah, I can't. I can't take a short up here either, bro. That's how this price is moving. Brings it to winter so far today. We still got a long morning ahead, my friends. We're not going anywhere for a few hours. Beta bands, please don't full port anything out of boredom.
You say full short?
Someone said they were, full porting shorts.
Guys, the daily level I have is 19257. Let's see what happens when we reach that part there. 19257. Because we recovered 216.
See, YouTube, that's exactly what we wanted to happen here. For some reason, just want to push on down to the bottom of the zone. I guess pick up some liquidity. Stopped us out there.
Can't believe I hesitated. That long entry. Again. We're gonna get some really nice price action today.
Okay, guys, touching 257 right now. close 257.
I wish we'd got the short entry, to be honest. After it stopped us out, it could have gave us at least gave us a short entry.
Let's see what we do here. If it's longs or shorts. Waiting.
I'm gonna have to mute Team Bull again. Oh. Seems like this entire market's been news driven this week. It is a tricky day. A lot going on in this one area. I take my small green, well, it's a decent sized green day. I still want one more trade. And what we should have the opportunity, we got some good levels. Opening range, 15-minute opening range. Remember, this is a trend. Drop any questions you have in the comments, YouTube.
Very nice, crushed it too. You're welcome on voice. One tap of the voice, bro. Come hang.
Big Papa, I posted on the admin trading floor. Okay, guys, looks they want to recover now 257 without touching this guy. Okay, let's see.
This is a good example of not getting FOMO. We tried the demand bounce here,
If you do a read
got
retest,
stopped out here, then it came back up and printed, right? There's no way we could have known. It looked good. We had the confirmation candle.
close 14.
Could we have retried it? Yes, but
Lower.
I didn't.
Go down a little lower. Touching 257. Waiting for price action. We are testing in Q-Lounge here. In Q-Lounge. Entry 273. 19273.
Greg said he tried longs. I'm not trying them. Could go either way right here. Gavin, you probably don't have either real-time data. You probably don't have real-time data, you're trading the wrong contract. Would be my guess. Probably one or two trades, Honda, maybe.
I said I like your idea. Right now, price looks like it wants to keep pushing up. I just doesn't fit my system, so I'm staying patient.
No trades, everyone, inside this range, 15-minute range.
For a very big hourly demand turn to supply, that's my only concern.
It's a tricky area here.
Yeah. For sure.
Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go.
Oh,
Keep going.
No, George, I'm not in nothing right now. Not in a trade. We got this 15-minute range. I want out of this.
yeah, about it.
Actually, quite a. Look, there's a fight in this area. Look, there's fighting.
Guys, coming. Pumping. Keep pumping, baby. Keep pumping. There you go, guys. There you go. Come on. I haven't trimmed yet. Still waiting. Come on, baby. Come on.
Greg's longs are moving a little. They print for him. volume is being weird. Is anybody watching this? The volume? It's kind of slowly going down. You can check online. I mean, there's different websites that have data, but we have it inside Team Bull as well. If you're not in Team Bull, we'd love to have you all there. So this is a big level. This is the trend line hourly. See where we rejected it here already. Market's just waiting on a tariff tweet, you think? Retesting. Trying to confirm the upside. Let's see. Had two fair value gaps, exactly contradicting two other possible setups. Exactly where we should enter them. Nate, I just added, I'm trying to add them for extra confluence, but I added it to Grizzology for, due to popular demand, so. Why? It's opening range high. Opening range low, Eric. You have to wait on close this candle for confirmation here. Yeah, gotcha.
Plus points on that. It's still moving.
Is anybody in a trade?
No. Well, I took longs, but I took profit on it, so no. What are you looking for, Grizzly?
I was hoping to close above VWAP, but I'm starting to like longs here. I'm trading M and Q.
Solid trade.
Do we confirm? I just can't go long right below VWAP.
Pretty aggressive sell candle too, right down the 15-minute low again.
And it closed like right in the fair value gap and below VWAP, so I can't go long here.
Are you in the trade or not yet?
I'm not in the trade.
You, Jada, are you still in?
Not anything, nope.
I was thinking about pinky shorts.
Stop loss at break even if you guys are still holding that. You're right at the area where we entered, so I'd keep stop at break even personally. If you haven't moved it, a trade that goes 20, 30 points in your favor comes back to break even. In my opinion, it's never a bad idea to stop it and wait for the next one. It could bounce here. I'm not re-entering, just for the record. Keep the record straight. I'm not re-entering.
NQ short, guys. NQ shorts. Testing NQ shorts. Entry 302.
Greg entered NQ shorts, everyone.
Let's see if we can get.
Not a trade I'm taking. I like the upside, but we got to get above VWAP for me.
Entry 302.
He's been hitting today, though, for sure.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on, baby.
Greg more. Give Greg more.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Good VWAP reject.
1 for 1 on the day so far.
Aiming for 257. 257.
yesterday's action that makes me so hesitant. I'm with you. I think the 5 minutes turning out, slowly looking like it could show a reversal here, but after yesterday's 15-minute top respectness, how much it respected it, man.
Come on, baby, come on. Streaming, guys, streaming here.
I don't know what Greg's looking at for all these trades. He must just be see order blocks. He has to be watching order blocks there.
Stop loss at break even. Come on, let's go to
If I took that many trades, I would blow all my accounts.
Don't. Okay, stop off, break even. Man.
Greg had a bad run, but he's back on it now. Making that money. We might get our long entry. We may still get our long entry. I'll let you all know.
You guys, for green trades, I think I'm done for today.
Crushed it today, Greg. Good job, man.
Yeah, great, going crazy.
Thank you, man. Thank you, but I like this 378, so maybe I'm gonna be taking another one. 378, guys. 378 and 405. That's another rejection I have. Yeah, normally on my first stream I take 50% of my funds. Yeah, 378.
This market has been tough.
Rejection, but you have to wait for the price action because you have 378 and 405, two main daily levels, so 30 points between them. So if we approach to that level, we have to wait for price action. But you see right now it looks probably they want to continue down to 257 again. Hey, I think next time I'm gonna leave my stop loss out. No, just kidding. Need to be disciplined. As soon I make my first trade.
Any questions, you two? Still waiting on the setup. I haven't taken a second trade yet as far as the live goes. Yeah, set to retest. I considered that a retest because this one closed above. But I actually like to see it dip back down and retest. If that makes sense. Gonna be making some updates to all this. I hear a train.
And I have 216. Now we are pushing to 205, which is the top of this week daily zone.
What was they speaking about?
This,
I tried to
378 level.
You say Grizzly?
I tried a light size of M&Q longs, everyone.
I like longs too.
I'm in M&Q longs. It's the last trade for me today. This market's gonna give me a brain heart attack.
I was waiting for a little more of a pullback down, but I like longs too. I like the idea. I think you're right on it. It's looking like the same setup we had earlier for aggressive push up to new highs. I'm not in right now, but I support your decision, Mr. Grizzly.
I'd like to get previous day low. Be ideal. Keep in mind they said the Mexican president tweeted about tariffs or something. So we gotta keep a hard stop in for all the news we've been getting for sure.
I'm gonna add some high risk longs with you, Grizzly. 30s, I'd like to see 10. Is out of that position. I'd like to see 10 area, they'll stop at the break below the previous 15-minute low. I'm gonna keep my gains though. Still be green on the day. Still be green on the day.
If we close back below trend line, I'll be out of this, everyone.
Tight stop at 07. 06 actually. '06. So that'll be a 20-point loser. This is actually the area that I like right here, 15 to 20, and you have 10 points of risk. Try to continue that trend up.
I don't like how we got back below VWAP here.
go.
I want to see previous
Okay,
day high,
got
everyone.
lower ad. I'm gonna take
Sorry.
a little bit off of here.
Previous day low, rather.
I took a few ads on that.
19378 would be a good price target.
I'm actually gonna take a tad bit more off. I don't love the setup. I'm out of this, guys.
Jaden got out of the trade, everyone. If you want to follow him.
Turns out that I don't love the setup. I don't like how price action's forming. Still could be good if it keeps stops below 07 or 06.
Every time Jaden says he's getting in with me,
So I'm not gonna
it's like the market hears him and jinxes the trade.
hope it rips pretty grizzly. I'm keeping the green streak alive. I think we still could rip. I'll be okay if we do. Get that lower entry in the 15 area, you're still solid. Just personally not trading it. No one who's hesitant, we're at the break-even spot for first ad up here.
I don't like that. Man, I'm out of this.
That's what I was worried about, bro.
This market's just not my edge this week.
What I was worried about. Alright, you go for a win streak for 2 months. You have 1 or 2 losing days, not a big deal.
It wouldn't be so bad, man, if they just would quit tweeting and making news drop.
Huh.
That's the issue. The green candle pushed up, that was from a tweet. I mean, how are you supposed to read price action when it's all news? I've been doing this every day for like 5 years, trading live and stuff. And the way this market's been, it's been the most difficult. I mean, people can guess and get lucky and catch moves up and down, but actually reading it and it making sense has not been it.
Yeah, so I'm tweeting, bro. GSI got fire. I don't looking like it. We're holding that 15-minute high.
My stomach is like growling like crazy, saying, "Feed me." Yeah, I can't trade this. These wicks wicking us out. I apologize, you too.
Use the 5-50 minutes.
I know what's going to have to happen, but you all,
The liquidity.
it's going to add more risk to our trade. We're going to have more room for a stop loss. We're going to have to adjust our stop loss out. That's what's happening. Both trades stop us out, then print. It's just what's going to have to happen. So we're going to have to lower position, move our stop loss. Give it a little more room. I know that, Ryan. I mean, I'm not blind. It looks like it's going to.
One trade right now, I look for longs. Until we break
But you should have been in the green.
minute high, longs are the only thing I'm watching.
20 points.
That's it. It's just longs. Until we close below that 15-minute high, that could change things. Maybe we get a little reverse orb setup. Feel me?
I had a very nice winning trade. Now I'm going to end my day break even again. So Monday was red and 2 break even. Come back tomorrow, see if we can catch a nice one. All right, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.